Math help us to understand the world, and we use the world to understand math. This school year, I learned that pattern is very important. We use pattern in a lot of math problems like pattern and sequence, arithmetic and geometric sequence. Pattern help us to learn sequencing and to make predictions, which leads to mathematical skills, logic, structure in algebra, and to establishing order in life. Polynomials or degree of polynomials help us to determine how to solve and equate integers, powers, or positive exponent of a variable. In that, you can learn also how to graph the formulas. I learned that polynomial is a kind of algebraic expression where each term is a constant, a variable or a product of a constant, and variable in which the variable has a whole number or non-negative number exponent. A polynomial can be monomial, binomial, trinomial, or a multinomial. On measure of variability tells us where the most of your data points lie and summarizes the variability on how far your points from each other. This aspect of variability is very important for inferential statistics where relatively small samples are used to answer questions about populations. And for the measures of central tendency, I learned that the mean, median, and the mode are most proportion of focal inclinations that can be utilized for ordinal information, in which streams are positioned comparative with one another, however, are not estimated totally, which is the most frequently valued in the dataset. Math, statistic is very important because it helps to understand unwisely and complex data by simplifying it, and it helps to classify the data. And statistic enables that students and teachers to analyze some of the causal factors underlying complex and otherwise bewildering events. It is mostly used to keep records, calculate probabilities, and provide knowledge. Basically, it helps us to understand the world a little bit better through numbers and other quantitative information. Permutations and combinations, I learned that there are so many benefits of permutations in our daily life. For example, permutation is applicable in problem drafting committee consisting of a chairman, secretary, and treasurer, the order in which the consideration. Unconscious, when we play a games using dice, coin toss, and bridge card games, we use the concept of probability, and permutation is a part of probability.